can see this. I hope you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
see the screen. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, Shaida.
Ma'am Shahada here. Ma'am, whatever questions are there in practice test, so only that would be asked in the real test.
That type, not the same
Not a
question.
single.
Same question.
Yeah,
Those
not the same
types.
question, but pattern would be the same.
Yes,
But
yes.
not a single new would be asked, right?
No, 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 no. I have not experienced any new.
Okay.
Same pattern.
That Prabjot, he has given the exam. So, is there any new
Prabjot,
question
are
was
you
there,
there?
Prabjot?
I will ask him directly. Prabjot, because I gave and I have not faced any new. So let me ask Prabjot as a second question. Prabjot, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
प्रभजोत कोई नया टाइप का कोई क्वेश्चन था अपार्ट फ्रॉम ऑल दीज दैट वी आर डूइंग?
No, ma'am.
कोई नहीं था. Okay, and tell us one more thing that apart, the way we are doing. See, I know many. I have given the test, so I have my experience. But as a student, you have also given it the test. So, as a student, do you think what extra we should do or what extra student should do? कुछ है ऐसा कि सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा है?
सही ठीक चल रहा है.
Okay. See, everyone, I have attempted the test, okay, and I have observed the patterns. And my aim to attempt the test was not to check where do I stand or what is my score. My aim to give the test was actually to understand the pattern, to understand the types of questions that can come, and that's how I prepare my classes. Okay, I have taken the screenshots. I have, checked the types of questions, the type of vocabulary that comes, and that's how I am making my, PPTs and my practice tests based on what I have attempted. Okay, so I'll start with the speaking today. So if any one of you, have given any kind of speaking, the speaking will become easy for you. But if someone who is attempting this for the first time, okay, this test or any test, any proficiency test for the first time, then you have to actually practice on your speaking. Okay. So you actually get four types of speaking tasks majorly. So you get four types of speaking tasks. The first is speak English word for each image. It means you remember sometimes you get a one image. It could be fire, a cow, a cat, and these kind of images you get. So what we have to do, speak English word for each image. So let's say it's a cow, and better not to speak like cow. Say a cow. Okay, aeroplane, you see, say an aeroplane. Egg, an egg. So everyone, if you want to write, there is a rule. If there is any noun means toy, animal, or any noun or a thing, any noun that starts with vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Any noun that starts with vowel will have an before that. अगर हम umbrella बोलेंगे, it should be an umbrella. Okay, and any other letter which is other than A, E, I, O, U. For example, bat. For example, ball, or you can say, let's say tiger. तो इन सब के साथ आएगा a. Okay, so when let's say you have in the image, for example, you have in the image bird. ठीक है, अब वो कोई specific bird है, अब आपको उस bird का नाम नहीं पता, so it's okay, you can say a bird. ठीक है, कोई म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट आ गया, and that specific musical instrument you don't know the name. Okay, so you don't have to, guitar aega, we can say it's a guitar. Let's say something xylophone comes and you don't know what this is called, so you can simply say a musical instrument. Okay, that is speak English word for each image, and you actually get 3 to 4 images at one go. The second type is record yourself reading and speaking. If you remember, if you have attempted a practice test, in that what happens, you are given a sentence. ठीक है, उस सेंटेंस को हमें पढ़ना होता है. वी हैव टू स्पीक व्हाट इज रिटन देयर. So that is called reading and speaking. Example, if you go to, okay, let's take an example. Third point जो है, अगर वहाँ पे आपके सामने स्क्रीन के सामने ये लिखा है, choose one topic to talk about for 1 to 3 minutes. Now, don't read it like choose one topic to talk about for 1 to 3 minutes. Don't read so slowly because जब हम चूज के बाद अगर मैंने पॉज लिया तो रिकॉर्डिंग में क्या होगा, देर वॉज नो कॉमा, तो हम पॉज क्यों ले रहे हैं. व्हाट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट जब आप रिकॉर्ड योरसेल्फ करें, दैट वट एवर यू आर स्पीकिंग, स्पीक एट वन गो, लेकिन एक एक वर्ड क्लियर होना चाहिए. एंड हाउ डू यू टेस्ट योरसेल्फ इन दिस? If you all have, most of you might have iPhone or any other phone. सबके पास Google होता है, right? You open your Google. I'll just show you. See what I'm doing. I just open my Google. Okay. Then after opening Google, there is an option that we can actually record, and then Google will, automatically type it out. Do you have these options? Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me just check it out if I can do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see, can you see this? Search by voice.
Yes, ma'am.
The
Yes,
test
ma'am.
is
Yes.
going to happen tomorrow. Can you see now? What I said is taken word by word. It means मेरा pronunciation एकदम clear था. Okay. However, this is not what I wanted. Okay. Hold on. However, this is not what I wanted. So they has not taken however. So I have to be a bit slow. However, okay. However, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So what I wanted to say that you can always, okay. So for second point where it is record yourself, जहाँ पे आपका sentence होता है and then you have to record. So it is advisable that you use your Google and there is a voice tab wherein you can press the voice and then record also. So you need to check whether it is, taking exactly the same words or no. If it is not taking the same words, it means you have to speak a bit slow that each and every word is, read properly or is heard properly. Do you all have, if you have iPhone also, you might have Siri on your mobile. Okay. With the Siri, see what I can do. Siri, can you help me in finding? So even she takes the right words, or he. So you can use your Siri, you can use your Google to check how good is your pronunciation. Okay. Now the third topic is choose one topic. Yeah, anyone is
Ma'am,
asking?
Shubham.
Yes.
Yeah. What is CD? What is that? I'm not getting it. What is that CD one in mobile?
Do you have iPhone?
No, I have an Android phone.
Okay, it's a feature in the iPhone, so I just give an idea.
Okay.
If you have an
Okay, no
Android,
problem.
better use Google then. Like I showed you now.
Yeah.
Try to do that. That is also same.
Okay.
Okay. Shaida, you were asking something?
No, ma'am. No, I'm not asking.
Okay, I'll continue with point 3 now. So the point 3 is choose one topic to talk about for 1 to 3 minutes. So what is that topic is that you remember that you get a topic and that is before when your image is taken actually. So this is actually, this is an ungraded one. in which you are given 1 to 3 minutes and you are given a topic. And what happens here, that you are given two topics. Please listen me carefully. In ungraded part, you are given two topics and you have to select one of them. Okay, you have to select one of them, and what happens, you get at least 30 seconds to actually go and record yourself. I'll explain you this later. And the fourth part in which you have to do speaking, where is graded one, उसमें आपको scores मिलते हैं. This is the graded one. You have to speak for minimum of 30 seconds on the given topic. Okay, so एक का time limit है minimum 1 to 3 minutes का, और दूसरे का time है minimum 30 seconds. Clear? Okay, I'll move on to next now. Now please look at this one. This is a graded part. Okay, graded means जिसमें आपको scores मिलते हैं. So the time to answer is, minimum time to speak is 30 seconds. Okay, and just a second, there's a typo error and I will clear it up. So minimum time to speak is 30 seconds. Time given is 90 seconds, 2 seconds to prepare. It's actually 60 seconds. Okay, now look. So here, preparation time. Preparation time is actually 20 seconds. Okay, what will happen now? Let's look at a scenario. You are given a topic and then they will say, okay, you know, speak for at least 30 seconds on this topic. But if you look at this image, can you see the timer? यहाँ पे 19 seconds दिख रहा है. So what is happening here? आपको एक topic दे दिया गया. You are given a topic. You are given the instruction also that 30 seconds के लिए बोलना है. And then what is happening? You can see the timer is going on for 20 seconds here. It means अपने आप को don't say कि अच्छा ठीक है topic पढ़ लिया, I'll press the record now. Don't do that. Wait for the bar to get finished. Wait for the 0 second, because जब seconds खत्म हो जाएंगे, the window will automatically move to the next. Okay, and it will automatically move to the next. So this is your preparation time. Plan quickly 20 seconds में. Okay, hobby, badminton. So quickly take it. Hobby could be cooking. Okay, how long have I been doing it? Almost 5 to 6 years. Who do you do it with? I usually prefer to do it alone, but sometimes with my mother. Why it is important to you? It gives me relaxation, as I love to eat. So I love to cook also according to my taste. So I think having the meal is the best part of the day. So I want to do this. Anything. अब क्विकली मैंने 20 सेकंड्स में क्या करा, मैंने प्लान कर लिया कि मुझे इस पे ये बोलना है. डोंट एलैबोरेट कि जो हम आइल्स में करते हैं, यू नो, वी इलैबोरेट अ लॉट, बिकॉज 30 सेकंड्स ही हैं. 30 सेकंड्स इफ यू कवर दीज 4 पॉइंट्स, मोर देन एनफ. 30 सेकंड्स का 1 मिनट कर लें, दैट्स इट. Okay, so this is what I was trying to say you. Minimum time to speak is 30 seconds. Time given is 60 seconds and 20 seconds to prepare. Then you will receive a written response and 4 response questions. And please ensure that जो आप response दे रहे हो, you're giving in the same sequence. Let's say we have this question, what it is, how long, who do you do it with, and why it is important. तो आपके answers भी sequence में ही होने चाहिए. Okay, and then what is tested here? Your spontaneous speaking. Please everyone, spontaneous का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि आप fast बोल रहे हैं, because at times if our English is not so good, तो क्या होता है, when we speak fast, we tend to mistake grammatical mistakes, or we tend to do grammatical mistakes. So don't try to be fast, try to be natural. Okay, and it's very important to avoid the fillers. Don't do that. सिर्फ sentences frame करो, एक के बाद दूसरा question, next to next question, and try to speak. Okay, the other one is a speaking response, which is ungraded part. Okay, ungraded me क्या, how will you identify it as ungraded? So when you are attempting practice test also, you will get a speaking जिसमें you know four questions होंगे and you get the time, so that is your ungraded. Graded one, but ungraded में क्या होता है, before it moves on to the ungraded part, you will get your picture clip there. They will tell you to look at the camera, okay, and then you will be recorded. Okay, so that's the ungraded part. Ungraded part, what it is, here the speaking that you do or the writing that you do, it directly goes to the university along with your scores. So some people consider कि ये ज़रूरी नहीं है, but I say कि this is equally important as your graded part, because this is anyhow going to the university. So you should, I believe, take it seriously, not like, you know, let it go types. Okay. Now time to answer is 1 to 3 minutes. So the time that you get on your screen is 1 to 3 minutes, and your video gets recorded there. You have 30 seconds to study your topic and plan. So what happens? You will have 30 seconds to study your topic and plan yourself. And then, you know, like I said, 20 seconds only, the window will automatically move to where you have to record. Similarly, here you are given two options. उन two options में से select करो कौन सा option है, उस options के ideas generate करो अपने mind में. And then the after 30 seconds are over, the window will automatically move to the next window जहाँ पे आपको record करना है. So please don't press the next button on your own. How it works? You have chosen one topic to talk for 1 to 3 minutes. What is tested? Obviously, spontaneous speaking in English with correct grammar. Okay. Please, grammar बहुत ज़रूरी होती है. Someone is, what happened? Just a second. I hope everyone is there on the call, because there was sudden
Ma'am, Pooja is not in call.
okay, that's fine. No, but I thought something happened from my end. Okay. So, okay, sorry. Actually, I have taken a pic of the writing, but the topic, just imagine the scenario. Same 30 seconds will be running on your screen. You will get one of the topic. You actually get two topics. Quickly go through both the topics. Story you enjoy, book, a movie, a TV show, कुछ भी हो सकता है. And then what do you like best about the story and how do you think it could be better? Just think two points of each question that has been asked. Plan in those 30 seconds. Everyone utilize the 30 seconds. And same you should do while practicing also. Don't have a notebook with you कि जिसमें मैंने points लिख लिए. नहीं. Don't follow this practice. You have phone with you. Take a topic. Press 30 seconds on the phone. And then as you press, then look at the topic. Okay. So be ready. 30 seconds press करा, topic पढ़ा, reasons को plan out करा, next में फिर 1 minute करा, and then start recording yourself. Then what are the strategies to practice now? This is what we should know, that what are the strategies that we should practice our speaking. So one strategy actually I gave you, which is for recording yourself. Okay. And recording in terms of when you read a sentence, and you can use your Google or Siri. The other strategy is for a long speaking actually. First is record yourself every time you practice and check for how long you were able to speak. एक topic ले लिया, start a stopwatch in your mobile. Okay, this is what you should actually do. Start a stopwatch in your mobile and then see for how long you were able to speak. Okay, save that video, oh sorry, save that audio, and then check how many fillers you have used. Check how many grammatical errors you have done. At least, because what happens when we speak on something and when we finish speaking it, आपको याद नहीं रहता कि कहाँ कहाँ एरर्स कर रहे थे. इनफैक्ट हमें ये भी याद नहीं रहता कि हमने क्या बोला था. Similarly, when you speak and if I am correcting you, maybe after 15-20 minutes you will not remember कि मैम ने कहाँ कहाँ correct करा था. So what I advise to everyone कि जो भी अपनी speaking करते हो, you should record yourself. बिकॉज एज यू रिकॉर्ड हो सकता है यू नो इन द फर्स्ट और द सेकेंड स्पीकिंग आपने बहुत ज़्यादा फिलर्स यूज करे लाइक बट हो सकता है ग्रेजुअली यू आर इम्प्रूविंग योर सेल्फ बिकॉज आप अपनी मिस्टेक्स को खुद फाइंड आउट कर रहे हो and then you are not using those grammatical errors or you are not using the fillers then, so gradually you see the improvement in your speaking. Most importantly, all questions should be answered in sequence. Answer all your questions in the same sequence as the questions are being asked. Okay, answer sequence में ही होने चाहिए and they should be linked to each other. कोई ये नहीं है कि किसी का आंसर एकदम ऑफ द टॉपिक चला गया, जिस जिस आंसर को आप कर रहे हो उसके जो सब्सिक्वेंट आंसर्स होते हैं वो सेम पैटर्न में ही होने चाहिए और उससे रिलेटेड होने चाहिए. Okay, noted, no note taking. So please don't practice also having your book in your hand. Don't take any notes for speaking and prepare your sequence in your mind. Listen to IELTS speaking test cue cards. So watch some YouTube videos where you will listen to cue cards. And specifically, if I say that, try to watch something, you know, very formal ones, something like British Council, IELTS Advantage, and they are very good or YouTube videos, which I can share the links with you. So try to watch those and gain some ideas. Ki speaking is not an interview. Speaking is just a interaction. एक spontaneous होना चाहिए. आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज एकदम स्टिफ नहीं होनी चाहिए. ट्राई टू बी रिलैक्स. यू कैन टेक पॉजेज बट ट्राई टू अवॉइड दैट. ओके, व्हाइल यू स्पीक राइज इन. व्हाट इज इंटोनेशन? इंटोनेशन क्या होती है? let's say if I am telling you something, I will not say something in a standard tone. कहीं पे आई विल बी वेरी हाई, कहीं पे आई विल बी लो. मुझे पता होता है कि कहाँ पे मुझे स्ट्रेस देना है और कहाँ पे मुझे स्ट्रेस नहीं देना. एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू वांट टू कन्वे योर पेरेंट्स फॉर योर सोलो ट्रिप to some foreign country, okay, if you want to convince your parents to go on a solo trip to some foreign country, आपको अकेले जाना है, so will you tell them like this, okay, I want to go to Malaysia and it is a very nice country, so please let me go? No, we will not say like that. What we are going to say, I really want to go to Malaysia because I think it's a very good country for, you know, teenagers to go. So please, I would request you to let me go. जब request की बात आएगी, we'll get slow. जब convince करने की बात आएगी, our pitch will be high. So that's what your intonation is. Rise and fall of the voice while speaking. Stress the keywords. Whatever is important for you, let's say, my favorite activity is playing badminton. अब बैडमिंटन पे मैं थोड़ा स्ट्रेस दूंगी बिकॉज वो क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था. That's your stress. And don't stress the weak words. Weak words ये है, you know, something like जिसको connect आपने करना है. Maybe they are used for making a sentence, but they are not so important that you have to keep your pitch high. Okay, drop your pitch at the end of sentences. So when you're finishing your sentence, everyone should feel okay, it's finished. So you need to drop your pitch. Everyone has any or anyone has any doubt?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, till now.
Yes,
No, ma'am.
Maita?
Yes. Ma'am, but we are given 1 minute 30 seconds to speak, not 30 seconds.
At least 30 seconds लिखा होता है उसमें.
Okay. At least 30 seconds बोलना होता है हमें.
हाँ, क्या होता है, जैसे आप 30 seconds कंप्लीट करोगे ना, आपकी रिकॉर्डिंग तो चल रही होगी, but you know the next button will come over there. So it's up to you. You want to continue recording, you can continue recording. If you want to finish off on the 40 seconds, then you can press next.
Okay, fine. And मैम मेरा एक्चुअली क्या हो रहा है कि मैं टॉपिक पढ़ लेती हूँ, लाइक कोई रेस्टोरेंट्स के बारे में पूछा है उसने, सो मैं रेस्टोरेंट्स के बारे में मैं स्टार्ट कर देती हूँ बोलना, लाइक मुझे वहाँ पे ये डिश पसंद है, मुझे यहाँ पे, मैं क्वेश्चन के प्रॉपर मतलब मैं आंसर्स नहीं देती हूँ कि वो क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा है उसने और वन बाय वन क्या आंसर्स देना है.
you
मैं
have to
जैसे
follow the
आयल्स
sequence.
क्यू कार्ड में हम जैसे देते थे, मतलब हम स्टोरी बनाते थे, उसको एक्सपांड करते थे, सो मैं वैसे कर रही हूँ.
बट आइल्स में देखो हमारे को होता था 1 to 2 minutes.
Right, right, right.
Here we have minimum 30 seconds. I see, as I said in writing, जितना ज़्यादा लिखते हैं उतने हम errors करते हैं. Speaking में भी यही फंडा है. So try to connect your answer based on the questions you get.
Okay,
Don't
okay.
elaborate a lot.
So मैम ओनली जो आंसर्स हम क्वेश्चंस जो हमको दिए पूछे हैं सिर्फ उसी का आंसर्स देना है, दैट्स इट?
हाँ, उसी का आंसर दो, क्योंकि उसमें आपके 30 सेकंड्स, उसमें आपके एक्चुअली okay, let me just give me a chance. I will share my recordings with you. So next slide if I go. So see, let's say this is a question, okay? And I'm
Okay.
going to share my recording with all of you on the Skype chat. So you can look at the question and listen to the recording that I have done I have recorded myself actually.
I'm Shubham here.
Yes, Shubham.
For the task of the 3 minutes or something like that is that. If I reach to a
3
2.5 or 2 minutes, yeah. If I reach to by speaking at 2 minutes, it is compulsory. I need to complete till 3 minutes.
No. You may meet 1 minute, and then if you want to end it at 1.30 seconds also, that is absolutely okay. 1 minute meet karna hai minimum.
Okay, the marks. If I 2 minutes if I have completed, marks won't be deducted for that, right?
No, it won't be.
Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can we see the questions while we are speaking?
Can you say the question?
See, मतलब,
You will be able to see the question.
okay.
And actually, it's important because if you're not able to see the question, then I think it's a trouble.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just a second. I'm going to share my recording with you. Is it? Are you able to listen it properly?
Yes, ma'am.
No, no.
Okay. Still, what I'll do, I'll just share it on the Skype chat. That becomes easy for everyone. Then. Okay. The audio you can listen to, and hold on. Wait, let me just share my screen so that you can see the question also. Okay, now listen to the audio, everyone.
Hello, ma'am. Have you played the audio?
No, I have sent on the chat, so I want you to play
Okay.
from your send. I have sent the audio on the chat window.
Ma'am, is it required to say thank you?
Not really.
Okay.
Actually, thank you says that I've finished.
Okay. Ma'am, if I have covered all the question, whatever what are asked here, and if uh, I want to explore it,
You
so
want to expand it.
yeah, yeah, if I want to expand
See,
it,
if
so
no,
can
no, 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 don't expand in the last, okay? Because maybe you can expand between these only. Let's say talk about a hobby or activity that I enjoy doing, what it is. Well, there are numerous activities that I enjoy doing, but if talked about one,
you're on mute.
clear now? Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what I'm
Ma'am,
trying
can
to
I
say,
take screenshot of this question?
yeah, sure, you can take.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, see, let's say Shaida was asking me that if you want to elaborate. Shaida and everyone, if who left now? I don't know. So, if you are going to elaborate once you have completed all the four questions, then it's not advisable. You can elaborate in between. Let's say if it's been asked what the activity that you enjoy doing. So, as I said earlier, the answer could be that there are numerous activities that I enjoy doing in my leisure time, but to talk about one particular activity that I enjoy the most is playing badminton. So what I have done, I didn't straightforward said that I enjoy playing badminton. I used a long sentence and then I came to badminton. Like this you can do. Okay. Clear? Am I clear, Shaida?
Yes, ma'am. Or ma'am, can I take pause?
You can
Uh,
take.
मीन्स लाइक मैंने एक आंसर दे दिया लाइक व्हाट इज इट देन उसके बाद एक और क्वेश्चन है हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बीन
Kiss
डूइंग इट
Taraka pause. I want you to record yourself. Okay, let's say if you want to answer first two questions, how you will answer that?
सॉरी
I want to understand when you say pause. Let's say अगर आपके पास यही question आया है and you have to answer. So can you answer so that I can say what a pause for you
ओके
is?
ओके well for first question what is it so
Nee,
I
nee,
have been
let's say you
interested
start with the answer. Don't say first question. When you record,
okay
you don't have to say first, second, third, fourth. You record. You say in a continuation. So say like that.
well I have been interested in hobbying because it gives a great sense of satisfaction to my soul and today I would like to talk about hobby uh, right am I right
अच्छा आपने बिकॉज बोला ठीक है इट गिव्स अ सेटिस्फैक्शन टू योर सोल अब वो आंसर तो मेरा लास्ट में आना चाहिए व्हाई इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू यू एम
okay
आई करेक्ट
yeah
so so
okay
talk
okay
about
okay
a hobby or activity that I enjoy doing to talk about an activity you say like that okay to talk about a hobby and everyone अगर activity आएगा what are you going to use a or an it should be an if you're saying
And
if you're going to say to talk about an activity, or you can say to talk about a hobby that I enjoy doing during my leisure time. Okay, during my free time is playing badminton. Okay, let's forget badminton right now. To talk about a hobby that I enjoy during my free time will be painting because I believe painting is something that gives me a lot of relaxation. I have been doing it since my childhood, though I'm not a perfect painter or I have not taken any particular classes of, of being a good painter. But I think during my school lessons, I have learned a lot, and that's what I do nowadays. I usually do painting with my sister most of the time, and when she is not around with me, then I preferably just take up, paintbrush and canvas and try to do it on my own. This activity is important for me, as I said earlier. See, I said earlier because by mistake I gave why I used to do it. So what I will do with this activity is important for me. As I said earlier, it gives me a lot of relaxation. At the same time, it helps me to put my thoughts or put my ideas into the frame. Simple. So try to be slow, think and then speak. Don't run. Clear, everyone?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can we use this line? Today, I would like to talk about a
No,
topic.
no, no.
No?
Today nahi.
Okay, okay, fine.
Okay. Anyone else?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am, till now.
Okay, one more here. Okay. This is the ungraded part. 1 to 3 minutes. As you meet 1 minute, you can stop at any point of time, but ensure that you complete what you are speaking or you complete the whole topic. बीच में नहीं रुक जाना and that you give a half answer. Okay, everyone? So I'm going to share this recording with you now. Shared with you, and this is the question, and I have actually answered on the geography topic. Please listen to the audio, everyone. Done? Are you done?
Ma'am, it's unable to load. It's not loading.
Why? Everyone, or it's only with Shaida?
No, ma'am, I was listening.
Okay.
Ma'am, it is not opening from my end. Hello?
Yes.
Hello? Yes, ma'am,
Yes.
Prashant here. Madam, it is not opening from my end also.
It's not opening. Is it for everyone or just Prashant and Shahid? I want to know.
No, ma'am, I was listening.
I'm able to hear that. I am able to hear that.
Okay. I'll just try to play it on my screen if you all can listen to it. Please mute.
Ma'am, please send this question also.
Okay, audio is clearly audible?
No, ma'am.
Mute. It's not complete actually. Just a second. It should be. Okay, anyone who is not able to, once we disconnect the call, I would prefer you to again try to load it, because some of you are able to listen to it and some of you are not able to listen to it. Okay. A quick exercise for all of you now. I want to share a topic with all of you. Okay, and I want you to time yourself for 30, or I will time. Okay, 30 seconds time, and then you all are going to record yourself on your phone. Okay, on your laptop, open the voice recorder, or I think mobile is the best device wherein you can have your the question in front of you, and this is not the question. Okay, so the question will be in front of you. I will say 30 seconds start, and then you're going to prepare your something in your mind. What are you going to speak? And when I say record, then you will start recording yourself and then send it to me. Everyone has my number?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I hope you understood. Open your WhatsApp, get ready with your voice tab, record your voice, and then you have to send to me. Before that, I'll give you
Ma'am,
30
now?
seconds. Yeah, now.
I don't have your WhatsApp number, ma'am.
Okay. Take down my number 9871 05 4646. Just add me on your WhatsApp.
Can you repeat, ma'am?
Why I'm doing this, I want to understand your current speaking. So don't panic कि गलत हुआ खराब हुआ. Just record and send it to me. Shall I start, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's move on to. Okay, this is the IELTS cue card, and hold on. So I'm going to start my 30 seconds and then show the question to you.
Ma'am, where is question?
Showing. Hold on. 30 seconds के बाद आएगा ना question. If I show you now, you'll start preparing. Okay, this is the question, everyone, and your 30 seconds start now. Stop now, and I want everyone to record and send it to me. Waiting.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Hello, ma'am. Prashant this side.
Yes,
Actually, madam, in my phone it is showing unable to record during the call. So what should I do?
Okay, then disconnect the call, no problem. I
Okay,
want you
okay,
to
okay.
record.
Okay, okay.
Shahida received, Chiranjeev received. Okay, I'll give you the feedback also one by one now.
What is the minimum time we have to speak for?
I'm taking for 3 minutes. You have to speak for 1 to 3 minutes. So anytime you can stop after 1 minute.
Well, sorry, ma'am. I'll do that again. I did just 7 seconds.
You can send me your recording.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I spoke only for 30 seconds
Why? It's okay. I'll
because
just let me listen to it now.
The leisure activity I often do with my Vita farm. Visit there every winters during the season. The leisure activity I do with my family is to visit our farm. We do it very often, and the leisure activity.
Shaida, you have used a phrase flying in the air. Let's not try to use it and be more specific. So, let's say you said very nicely that the plethora of activities you
The
like to do,
leisure.
but specifically, I like to do cooking with my family. जो ये with my family वाला phrase था ना वो cooking में use नहीं हुआ. Okay, and when you do it, okay, when you do it with your family, okay, and then I think you said specifically on Sundays.
yes.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And then how much you enjoy it. So how much you enjoy it, that should be elaborated, I think, in a very, I enjoyed it a lot, as how much उसमें क्या होता है कि a lot होता है, और as being a Sunday, it's a good family day for us, wherein we all divide the task of who is going to do what or what are we going to cook. So it's a kind of enjoyment and a relaxation to us. And explain how this is helpful for your family. This is helpful for my family as it builds a bonding, a strong bonding.
Okay.
Okay, now next is Kishandeep.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
I'm having some issue with my WhatsApp. I'm not able to
a
record more
bit
than 10
loud.
seconds. Ma'am, I'm having some issue with my WhatsApp. I'm not able to record more than 10 seconds, ma'am. Can I do it later, ma'am?
Oh, yes, please. Okay, Krishandeep, it was not bad. It's good. You have taken the right pauses, and I think थोड़ा सा thought process थोड़ा ज़्यादा था. So take a very small pauses. Pauses लेना है. Small pauses लो, and it's quite clear what you were trying to say.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
Prashant,
ma'am.
what is this? Okay, I think this is. Okay, I want to know who is 9413787404.
Ma'am, that is mine. Actually, I'm having some issue with my WhatsApp, ma'am.
What's your name?
Chiranjeev.
Chiranjeev. Okay. Because Chiranjeev, okay, that's what you said. Because I got only for 7 seconds recording.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is Shubham. Okay, Shubham. Okay. Shubham, yours is also equally good. I think your pitch was little high, maybe because of the noise you recorded it louder. But in the actual days, don't be too loud. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next, I want to just a second. Now Prashant has sent me.
Hello. Hello.
I'm listening to Prashant. Okay. Then I was listening to Prashant. Prashant,
Yes, ma'am.
good.
Yes, ma'am.
But again आप भी बहुत ज़्यादा pauses ले रहे हो. Let's it
Yes,
has
ma'am.
to be a spontaneous एक flow में चल रहा है. So that flow needs to be maintained.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Try
Okay.
to now and the rest. I just a second. Hemlata not received yours and Chiranjeev, Prashant done. Hemlata no. Krishandeep received. Pooja not received.
Ma'am,
Prabjot.
I just sent it to you.
Sorry,
I just sent to you. Can you please check?
you have already sent it to me.
Yes.
Who said that? Hemlata.
Hemlata, yes, ma'am.
Hemlata, I have not received. Did you put the code? Because you're from, I think you're in US, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Did you
The
put plus 91?
different number, maybe. Okay, let me try again.
You have to put plus
I
91.
sent it on different number actually.
Oh, you might have sent it on Aman sir number then.
Yeah.
I'll
Okay.
listen to that then.
No, I'll try again.
And then I have Senthil, I have not received yours. Prabjot Kaur. Prabjot Kaur, who's sending me the message? Prabjot or Singh or Kaur that they have some problem with the audio? And Soham. So I have to receive at least two. But everyone, so I'm going to share this link with you. The one, because what is here that you may get some ideas after reading this. Do you want me to share this link so that you can read and try to generate your own ideas then?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Please.
ma'am.
Okay, because there are so many types here, and if you actually read this, you will have a very good idea, both in terms of writing as well as speaking. I'm going to share this link with you. So this is how there are so many samples over here which you can easily go through. Okay. So I want to okay, everyone, now what I want from all of you is that tomorrow, in tomorrow's class, I'm going to consolidate all the question types, which will be right from dictation, which will be missing letter, which will be your writing a essay, which could be your speaking, which could be describe image, which could be vocabulary. So I'm going to give you a practice test, okay? And it will have everything, a mix of everything. And you have to attempt it within 30 to 40 minutes. Clear, everyone?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So it will be a good
Yes, ma'am.
exercise to do everything at one go then.
Yes, ma'am.
So see you tomorrow, and then we'll plan. We'll surely. So this week actually majorly it's more of a revision exercise, wherein tomorrow I'll give you a mix of everything. But going forward, so we'll be covering again all the types, but it will be more practice now. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
Where's
ma'am.
the test? How?
Shubham here.
Yes,
Hello.
Shubham.
Ma'am, can you send you more audios for that listening one so we can get a grasp some more knowledge about it?
Okay. Okay. Sure. I'll
Oh,
send. I'll share
thank
it with you.
Ma'am, where will
Okay.
you send those tests? The practice test?
No, no. I'll take it tomorrow, live during the class.
Oh, okay, fine. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, everyone.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.